Welcome to Checking In at SEA. My name is Perry Cooper. We are out on the ramp outside of the terminal, an exciting place to be right now as we're in the midst of another one of our projects for Upgrade SEA. I'm going to bring in with us John McWilliams, who is one of our capital project managers. John, first off, people looking behind us may not know where we are. Where exactly are we on the airfield?
We are near the end of A Concourse by gate A14, south of the International Arrivals Facility and near International Boulevard.
We're out here and we see a new building going up. What exactly is this building?
So this is a 52,000 square foot building addition that will house 2 passenger lounges, 1 airline lounge, and the other an expanded Club SEA that will double in size.
And this kind of goes along the lines we've talked about in videos before, how we've got such a small footprint here at SEA. We've got to go up, right? That's what this is about?
Yep. We are definitely site constrained at this airport, but we have been able to provide a lot of amenities by building vertically. As you said, this is going to be a 110-foot tall building with 5 levels. There will be a photochromic glazing system, which is a smart glass that automatically brightens and dims to allow more light to come in. It conserves energy and provides a lot of natural light for passengers.
Excellent. Well, that leads us into, let's go inside and check it out a little bit there too. Now we're on the inside of the project up here with project manager Rajan Katru. What exactly are we going to start to see in this space? Why is it important for us?
Yeah, this is a very important space for the airport. As you know, we are going for a goal of a Skytrack rating of 5, and so this project will serve to help get to that goal as well. Some of the key elements you're going to see on this project are going to be an increased level of square footage and also the premium lounge experience that we're going to offer our patrons. So this is going to be an amazing experience for them to not only be immersed in a high-level, high-quality finish type lounge, but also offer some of the key amenities like showers, a robust Wi-Fi coverage, along with additional bar and food services. We're looking at hopefully completing a design by the end of this year, begin construction early next year, and if we're lucky enough, we can get through construction by the end of next year.
We're going to see more of this project as it progresses, so keep an eye out for those videos for us as well too, and more information on upgradesea.org. You'll see projects highlighted there as well as on our social channels. Thanks for joining us with Checking In at SEA.